So exercise 11.1 in that question number 5. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm and AB is equal to 5 cm and triangle ABC is equal to 60 degree. That is angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle that is whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So now here first we have to construct a triangle. That is we have to write the steps here. That is construction. We have to draw a triangle ABC. So here construction of triangle. Okay. So here first what we have to do, draw a line segment of BC here for 6 centimeter. Okay. So now here AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So first what we have to do, line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeter we have to draw. So next at B construct angle B is equal to 60 degree. So how to construct that one? So keep the compass at this point and take any distance. So here, so make an arc. So keeping the same distance, keep at this point and make a cut here. So this intersecting point will be, this will be is equal to 60 degree. Okay, this angle will be 60 degree. So now compass of 5 centimeter distance. Okay, so keeping at point B, so cut an arc here. So this point will be A. Then join AC. So here join AC. So join AC. So here this is 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. So we need to make a triangle which is 3/4 of its size. Okay, so that is scale factor will be equal to 3/4. So that is less than 1. So the next step will be mark 4 points, that is B1, B2, B3, B4 on BX line, BX array. Okay, so that how the marking should be, that is B1 is equal to B1, B2, which is equal to B2, B3 and which is equal to B3, B4. Okay, like this we have to make a equal portions. So after that join B4C. Okay, so this one B4C we have to join here. So then draw a line through B3. So via B3, here this is B3. Okay, because this is 3/4 means this is less than 1. So here first we have to take greater portion. So after this a line we have to draw here. So draw a line B3 so that such that so here let it be C dash, such that B3 C dash is parallel to B4C. Okay, so in this way we have to draw. So after that again draw line through C dash such that here this line we have to draw here. So here this is A dash, C dash A dash is parallel to CA. Okay, in this way we have to draw. So hence now in triangle ABC and A dash, B dash, C dash, these two triangles are in similar because all the lines are, these lines and this line is parallel. Okay, so hence the ratios, that is AC dash divided by C dash C and BA dash divided by BA and A dash C dash divided by AC are all equal. Okay, so hence it is proved. Exercise 11.1 in that question number 6. So here draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree and angle A is equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So here one rough diagram we will draw here. So like this is the triangle. So here this let it be ABC. Okay, so what he has given, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter and angle B is equal to, this is 45 degree and angle A is equal to 105 degree. Okay, So then this angle he has not given. Okay. So we have to, after constructing this triangle, we have to construct one more similar triangle which is 4 by 3 times this one. So this is 4 by 3 is greater than 1. Okay. So this will be bigger than this triangle. So now first what we have to do, first draw, that is find the angle C. First find angle C. Okay. So here we know that from the angle sum property of triangle, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle A and angle B he has given. Okay. Angle A is equal to 105 plus angle B is equal to 45 plus angle C we have to find out. This is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 105 plus 45 means 150. Okay. So angle C is equal to 30 degree. So this will be equal to 30 degree. So now we have to construct a triangle taking this one. That is first here construction steps you can write. So draw a BC. Okay. Draw a BC of side 7 centimeter. This is first step. And second step will be draw angle B is equal to 45 degree. So this angle 45 degree, that is how to construct this 45 degree, that you have seen, because here first we have to take here angle 45 degree means, so keep a compass here, take some distance, so mark an arc here. So after that, keeping the same distance, you have to make 1, 2 arc. Okay. And after that, this and this we have to bisect. So bisect means from this point you can keep compass and make an arc here, and with the same distance you have to make an arc here, so that this will be a perpendicular, that is this will be 90 degree. So this point you will get. Okay. So this is 90 degree means, so from this point and this point you have to make one more bisect. This one like this. So this will be 45 degree. Okay. So in this way you have to construct this 45 degree. And here in the same way you can construct 30 degree also. Here at this point. Okay. This is also there are same steps. Draw angle C equal to 30 degree. Let point A be the intersection of this line and this line. So now we need to make, after constructing this one, so we need to make the same similar triangle, that is 4 by 3 of this one. So for that what we have to do, I will put a diagram here. I have drawn this one. Here same thing, B and C. So 45 degree I have constructed here, and here also 30 degree I have constructed here. So 45 degree means 90 bisector I had done here. 30 degree means this is 60 bisector I have done here. So both rays are coming and intersecting at this point A. Okay. So now after this one, 4 by 3 ratio triangle we have to construct. So for that we have to make 4 equal parts first. Okay. So 4:3 means, so third point we have to join here. So here, so that this one join B3 and C. So after that again draw through B4 and parallel to B3C. Okay. So like this, B4C. This is C dash. Okay. That is B4 C dash is parallel to B3C. Okay. So now again draw through C dash and here AC is parallel to C dash A dash. That is here this line. So this is parallel. Here this is A dash. Okay. A dash and C dash is parallel to AC. So now this triangle ABC and A dash, B dash, C dash, these are similar. How to prove that one? So considering these two triangles, so here you see as AC and A dash C are parallel, B3 C and B4 C dash are parallel. Okay, parallel. So hence the ratios, that is by the basic proportionality theorem, here BC dash by the BPT by BPT. Okay, when these two lines are parallel means, that is BC dash divided by BC is equal to BA dash divided by BA, which is equal to A dash C dash divided by AC. Okay, this ratio which is equal to 4/3. Okay, so hence it is proved. So exercise 11.1, in that question number 7, draw a right angle triangle in which the sides other than the hypotenuse are of length 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So this is a rough diagram. So this is right angle at B. For example, this is A and C. Okay, other than hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, this is length is, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Then construct the another triangle whose sides are 5/3 times. That is 5/3 is more than 1 now here. Okay, so here first we have to construct this triangle means, so right angle means by the Pythagoras theorem, so this side also we can find out. So for constructing here, find AC length. Okay, so that can be found by AC square is equal to, that is AB square plus BC square, so which is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So AC is equal to square root of 25. So AC is equal to 5. So this is 5 centimeter. So how to construct this one? See here, first draw, that is draw BC of 4 centimeter length. Okay, so then keeping a compass at B point, see this is BC 4 centimeter. Okay, keeping a compass at point B and making an construct angle of 90 degree. Okay, so how to construct? So keep in at this point, so make an arc here. So with the same arc length, so this one and this one too, we have to make bisector. So these will be 60 degree. So this and this, okay, we have to bisect. So from this point one arc, from this point another arc. So this point we can join here. So this is the length of, that is 3 centimeter. So after this point you will get, so this and this you can join. Okay, this will become 5 centimeter now. Okay, after this we have to construct okay, triangle that is 5/3 times. Okay, so after this, here this is a diagram. See BC of 4 centimeter and 90 degree, and this is a bisector. This point is A and this point is C. Okay, so for making this one, that is 5/3 ratio. So 5/3 ratio means greatest will be 5. So we have to make a 5 equal parts. So here draw a ray of BX. Okay, and make 5 equal parts. This you have to write in detail, equal parts. Okay, so here like B1, B2, so up to B5, such that here B1 is equal to B1, B2, which is equal to B2, B3. Okay, in the same way B4, B5. Okay, so now next join B3 with C, because 5:3 means so smallest one, that is C to B3. Join B3 and C, and after that draw through B5, that is B5 C dash, which should be parallel to B3 C. Okay, like this you have to draw. So after that, this is a draw C dash A dash, which is parallel to AC. Okay, so here this line, this C dash, here this is A dash. Okay, so here after this, so as we know that in triangle ABC and A dash, B dash, C dash, so A dash, B, C dash. Okay, here B, only one point is there. So here in this similarity criteria we can make, because angle B is equal to angle B. This is a common angle. Okay, and here basic proportionality theorem, that is, so here we know that in triangle ABC and A dash, B, C dash, so this here we can make this similarity criteria. Here angle B is equal to angle B, because it is a common angle. So now as B3C is parallel to B5C dash, and also A dash C dash is parallel to AC. Okay, this we know. So here hence here A dash B divided by AB is equal to A dash C dash divided by AC, which is equal to BC dash divided by BC, and which is also equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so this is proved.